It's a privilege to be able to help when there are situations like this. I think there are very few people who are able to directly impact on a situation like this, so it's a great privilege.
My job would be to make a big warehousing in Santo Domingo and ship all the goods onto Christian.
This plane contains tarpaulins, medicines, medical kits that can cater for every kind of situation where we can help now in terms of medicines, which is a big need in Haiti.